Where is the grapes? Grapes! Okay! And winner versus winner. Okay. First, okay, where is the orange? Orange. Okay, very good. Pink, 1 point. Next, 1 point na pink. Next, where is the banana? Okay, pink, 2 points. Okay, next, where is the apple? Okay. Watermelon. 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 Okay, 3 points for Tuham. Next, where is the grapes? Grapes.